In this lecture we are going to see how we can set up the story. So if you want to set up the story, what you have to do is you have to go to the navigator. Okay, and here you will see that right now we have this story defined, that is 0 at the ground floor, first at a story, second at a story. And now let's say in many of you student have asked me that they have the problem that they didn't see this navigator. Okay, every time they take their mouse cursor from away from this region, then this will hide. Okay, so in that case what you have to do is you have to click on, let's say, show navigator. Okay, let's click on hide navigator. So in that case you won't see navigator here. In that case you have to click here. Okay, and then you have to go here at this button, and after that you have to click on show navigator. Okay, so in this way you have to sort out this problem if you have that one. Okay, in this way you can show or hide the navigator. Okay, so now that we have understand this thing, so if you look at the story, so let's say you want to set up the story, so we just need to simply focus on this one. So if you want to setting up the story, you just simply need to right click here, and after that go to story setting, and here you will get all the details related with the story setting. So let's click on cancel, and let's say you want to set up these story. What you can do here is that you can also use the shortcuts. So the shortcut is control and 7. Okay, so even after that you can access this story setting. So now let's see how we can do the modifications here. So if you look here, you will see that we have a 0 at ground floor. This is fine. So I will go ahead and I will name this one. So let's name this one as first floor. And after that we are going to name this one. Okay, you just simply need to go above one and just left click here. So this will be, obviously this is 0 floor, this is first floor. I'm going to name this one as roof level. Okay, so now that you have seen this thing, that how to name this one, now let's say that you want to add a story. So what you can do, I will go here. Let's say I want to add a story below this, so I just simply need to click on insert below, and then we have our story name. So I'm going to name this one as let's say basement. Okay, and now after that, let's say again you want to add the story below this one, so you can just simply click on insert below. And let's say you want to you want to add a story, you can again click on insert below. Let's say you want to add a story above this one, so you just simply need to click on insert above. So in this way you have to add the story. Now let's say you want to delete this story, so what you can do is you can just select this story and click on delete story to delete the story, delete the story, and delete the story. In this way you have to delete the story. So as you can see here that we have a basement level. Now that we have understand this thing, that how to insert above, how to insert below, how to delete a story, how to rename this one. Okay, so now it's time for this elevation and height to next. The height to next is simply the story to story height. Okay, you don't need to worry about that much. So we are going to put all these details as per our project. So here what I will do, our ground floor is at 0 level, that is fine, and height to next I'm going to put this one as 3740. Okay, and after that what I will do is I'm going to make some changes in the elevation. So here if you look at the elevation, this is 3740, that is fine, and I'm going to change this elevation as let's say I'm going to make this one 6660. Okay, as per our project requirement. And if you look at the level, you will see that the basement is at 3000 level. So what I will do is I will make this one height to next, that is story to story height to, let's make this one 360. Okay, now let's click here. So you can see that all these details whatever we have set is as per our project requirement, as you can see here. So in this way you have to do the story setting. Now let me show you one more thing here, is that let me keep this one aside, and let's go to the elevation here. Let's go to the east elevation. Just simply First of all, let me click on OK here, and you need to keep this thing here, that if you look here, that all these lines are tick marks. So let's click on OK. And now let's go to this elevation. Let's go to east elevation, and in the elevation you can see that we have successfully set up our all levels. You can see that this is our basement, this is our ground floor, this is our first floor, and this is our second floor. But what will happen if I, let's say this time I'm going to use the Ctrl+7 in order to bring back this story settings. So what I will do here is that if I simply just go and untick this one, okay, that is the basement level. If I untick this one and after that I will click on OK, you will see that this basement level has been gone. So you need to take care of these things. So let me again press Ctrl+7 to bring this back, and let's tick mark on this one, and after that I will click on OK. So this is all about setting up the story levels, as you can see here, and this is the end of this lecture.